Hi everyone, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt here for episode 2 of Jamaica Smiles, and I'm here with a Canadian resident who is a Jamaican, Tessenie Mowatt, and I just want to find out from her, just coming back from a photo shoot, so, I look all glamorous thanks to my creative director here. I just want to know from you though, Tessenie, how has your experience been? You've been here for some time, but you're now residing in Canada.
What has my experience been in terms of?
Been like in Jamaica.
Living in Jamaica is quite different from residing in Canada. First of all, it's a much faster pace of life living in Canada. Here in Jamaica, everything alright, everything is easygoing, everything is just chill. While in Canada, it's about time and money. Everybody has somewhere to go, everybody has something to do. People in Jamaica are way friendlier than those in Canada. Like, you can't compare that.
Yeah.
There really is no comparison there. But if I had to choose, I really would choose Jamaica over Canada any day.
Alright, so you tell me about the weather, you told me about the people, and I want you to just tell me 3 other things about Jamaica that you like.
The food, the music, the entertainment.
The entertainment? Yes. I thought you were going to say the men.
See, that too, but I'm trying to be cute.
Alright, tell me one thing about Jamaica that you don't really like.
The one thing I don't like about Jamaica is this big division in the socioeconomic how would I say, structure?
Yes.
Yes, so there's this very high class and then there's the very
low class.
And I think it's very unfair. I don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
And I relate more to the lower class. Sorry, I do.
You do?
I do relate to the lower class way more than the high class people. I feel like they, I'm so sorry, but I feel like you guys live inside of a bubble. I feel like lower class people are more real, they're more honest.
Yes.
They work hard.
When you say lower class people, who you talking about?
Downtown!
Alright, so bring up all of the downtown people you come from downtown, pick up yourself. Yes. I understand what you're saying. Alright. Just before you go, this feature is Jamaica Smiles. Tell me one thing, out of all the things that you've listed, tell me one thing that would make you smile when the plane hit
when
the
you
Jamaican
see the Caribbean Sea.
Yes.
I love it. You can never describe that feeling when you're coming down the airport and you see the water. It's just like, I am home. Yes. Thank you so much, Tessenie. I hope you enjoy your stay in Jamaica. Thank you.
And all the best in Canada. Please go ahead and follow her on social media. Your Tessenie Mowatt everywhere. Everywhere. So go ahead and follow her, even on Snapchat. I want to big up Palone Ruddock, who is watching. I hope I pronounced that right. You can correct me. From New York City. You said that it's the same way. If it's all about fast making money, once you have ambition in America, you can make it. Real thing, Jacqueline. Big up yourself. Thank you for tuning in. And Jamaica Smiles is just a random video that I do. I'm a contributor to Jamaicans.com, and it's just to show you different Jamaicans doing awesome things and sharing about what makes you smile. Alright, have a great day.
Bye.